What's up, guys? Today I want to be installing these running boards on this 2024 F-250. These are the brackets that come with the Ford kit, and on the underside of the truck there will be studs that go in to 3 out of those 4 holes up there. This is all the hardware that you're going to get with the kit. These are 13 millimeters. Yeah, so these nuts will go onto those studs that are on the truck, and the bolts are to hold the running boards on to the bottom part of that bracket. I also like to use a little bit of this blue thread locker to make sure there are no issues whenever the customer gets the car. These clear pieces are to go between the bracket and the body of the truck. I normally don't use these because no one's ever going to see that part of the truck anyway. So here are those studs I was talking about earlier, and you're just going to lay that bracket right over them. Put your washer on. And these are nylon locking nuts, so you won't be able to twist them down very far with your hand. And you can see these studs go all the way down the side of the truck. You're going to use 3 brackets for each side. Here I am running these down with that 13 millimeter and the electric ratchet. This was almost kind of a bad idea because the running boards didn't want to line up perfectly. So I ended up having to take one of the brackets loose so that I could line up the running board. And all of them have a little drop of the blue Loctite on the front here, though. I may have run a little overboard, so be careful whenever you're doing that. Don't want to use too much of that Loctite. So here's the running board, and you're just going to lay it right over those brackets, and you'll put those bolts in. And here's the issue I was telling you about earlier when I couldn't get that running board lined right up, so I had to take that off a little bit, and you can see it kind of slides around. And when it slides around, you're able to line up those holes for the bolts on the running board. Now you can snug up all the bolts for the running board, and you should be good to go. This is a pretty easy job. After I put these things on, I always like to open up the door and kind of climb in the truck and give it a little bounce. I'm a pretty heavy dude, so if it can hold me doing this, it's probably going to be fine for everybody else. The process is exactly the same for the other side. Thank you for watching.